Welcome to Jumbo Technical Company. The different types of things are made. The things are made by Aman B. Hamza. Today I'm gonna show you how to make burning laser light. Work on the video was going on for a long time, so finally ready today. To make burning laser light, we need a CD player. As you can see in this video, we will open this CD player. We will go to the optical part of the DVD player and very carefully remove this lens from inside it, which will used to be to make our burning laser light. We need this kind of part, as you can see in this video. Now we can remove the laser light diode. Do you know why the light emitted from it burn things? If you don't know, then let me tell you. This is an IR light which burns black objects, because black or dark color has more ability to absorb light. Infrared invisible, but from 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter, but 400 nm to 700 nm it is visible. We can see naked eyes. As you can see in this video, we have removed the two kind of laser diode, and one kind of laser diode is visible and one kind of laser diode is invisible. To soldering this kind of laser diode is a bit difficult, because here are negative and positive wires we have be connected very carefully. The LED diode in a CD player illuminating at 3.5 volt, but we are illuminating it at only 3 volts. Now we're gonna to check this laser diode on matchstick. As you can see in this video, yes, it can burn. Now we're gonna to check black polythene. Due to low battery, it may not work that much. This laser diode was illuminated at 3 DC volt. So now we'll give 3 DC volt with the help of battery, because the battery contains DC volts. This laser diode is a very powerful. That's why we are using low voltage here, because we are just testing. In part 2 of this video, we will make the complete laser light by giving 3.5 volt. Now we're gonna to assemble laser diode, so follow all steps very carefully. In this video, we are just testing a burning laser light. Upcoming part 2, we are tell you how to make complete burning laser light. The battery using we are in this is a down battery. Now we're gonna to test a black balloon. Yeah, it can work.